Welcome to our groundbreaking series on mastering professional networking. I'm Wally Sharif, and over the next 4 weeks, we're going to revolutionize the way you think about and leverage your professional connections. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur, a budding business owner, or a professional looking to climb the corporate ladder, this series is your roadmap to networking success. In today's interconnected world, your professional network is more than just a list of contacts. It's a living, breathing ecosystem of opportunities, insights, and potential partnerships. But here's the truth. Most people are barely scratching the surface of what their network could do for them. Let's start by understanding what effective network really means. It's not about collecting business cards or having the most LinkedIn connections. It's about creating a web of meaningful relationships that can propel your career or business forward. The first pillar of successful networking is building your network. And this goes beyond just meeting people at events or connecting on social media. It's about strategic in who you connect with and how you make those initial connections. It's about understanding the value you can bring to others and articulating that very clearly. But building a network is just the beginning. The second pillar, and where many people fall short, is maintaining those connections. How many times have you met someone interesting at an event, exchanged contact information, and then nothing? Those lost connections are missed opportunities. Maintaining your network is about regular, meaningful follow-ups. It's about staying top of mind with your contacts without being pushy. It's about providing value consistently, even when you don't need anything in return. Finally, third pillar, monetizing your network. This is where your networking efforts pay off. A well-maintained network can be the source of new clients, lucrative partnerships, and game-changing introductions. But monetization doesn't happen by accident. It requires strategy, tact, and the right approach. We'll explore these proven techniques for turning your connections into tangible business opportunities. You're thinking, really? I barely have time to keep up with my current contacts, let alone expand my network. That's a valid concern. Many professionals use a combination of tools like LinkedIn, CRM systems, and even spreadsheets to manage their networks. While these can be useful, they often fall short in providing a comprehensive, efficient networking solution. That's where Follow Up Now comes in. We developed a mobile app designed to streamline the entire networking process. From capturing contact info at events, to automating personalized follow-ups, to identifying monetization opportunities, Follow Up Now is your all-in-one mobile networking assistant. Imagine never missing a follow-up, always knowing the right time to reach out, and having AI-powered insights to guide your networking strategy. That's the power of Follow Up Now. In our first session, we'll take a deep dive into building your network, the strategies, the do's and don'ts, and how to make a lasting first impression. You won't want to miss it. In the meantime, take the first step towards transforming your networking approach. Download the Follow Up Now mobile app from the Apple Store and start turning your connections into opportunities. Remember, your network is your net worth. Fortune in the follow-up. Now let's go to